Hey, what's up, fellow investor? Dustin Heiner here with Master Passive Income. Now, the video you're about to watch is a small clip from my Real Estate Wealth Builders Mastermind group that we have, where I coach and teach people how to build and grow their passive income by investing in real estate. I hope you enjoy the video. Matthew, you had a quick question about getting a credit card?
I applied for two, putting in my social security number, and I know that dings your credit. I thought both I would get accepted on. And then I applied for a third where they just ran the numbers, and all three of them declined my credit because of lack of credit history. And I didn't know if it had got a secured credit card, like what the ease of getting one is. And I guess what the difference is between that and a conventional credit card as far as building credit.
You have to start as quickly as you can, as soon as you can. So a big thing I would suggest, even a gas card, like you need to start building that. I've had lots of credit, so it's easy for me to get credit cards. But as far as secured, I haven't got any. You can go to local banks and ask them and say, hey, I need to build credit. What can you do to help me get a secured credit card or something like that? And secured just means it's tied to a tangible asset, like a car or your house or something like that. So it's secured with something. That's really all it means. But honestly, talk to your local, whatever bank you go with. You have the bank now, credit union, and really just start building up that business credit.
Here's another idea for you, Matthew. And I did this one, and it may work out for you now or it may not, but you give this a shot. Business line of credit with a local bank who knows you. So if you're banking with somebody that you're running your business through, your landscaping and stuff, go to them and say, hey, looking at a business line of credit, but be clear with them that it's a business line of credit for real estate, not for your landscaping. But because they'll want to know the difference there, and you don't want to get those two confused. But the reason I say go to them is because they can see money coming in and going out. Even if you don't have credit, it may be a good way to get started, and they may be willing to do that for you.
Okay, I do have a credit score. I have no blemishes. I have a lawnmower that I've bought in, and I paid half it off at 0%. So I'm trying to use that to build credit. So it's been paying for 2 years. And then I have a truck that I've bought and paid for. 2 years is about the 2.5 years is about where I'm sitting with credit. So and I wish I had done it a while ago to try to get like a gas card or something. I got declined. Tried to get an Old Navy card, and I got declined on that as well.
They give those out like candy. That's a bummer.
I know. Yeah. Like my credit score is between 650 and 700. I don't really understand. That one was very unclear why I got declined on that one.
Honestly, it's length of they at least 2 years.
Length of history.
Yeah. So just keep working at it, and just over time, it'll grow.
You can just go to a college and they're giving kids your age credit. I don't know if you have to belong to that college, but your age, maybe $500 or something, but that's something.
I use a lot of gas for my landscaping business. I would buy it, pay it off, and I would be able to put it to use quickly, even a $500 limit.
The colleges, if you haven't had credit for a while, they'll give you a small amount, and then you can build it up a little bit by that way.
There's so many different ways to do it, Matthew. The reason why I mentioned a secure line of credit is because you get secured with an asset, or a lot of banks, they will even allow you to put $1,000 in an account to secure your line of credit. And you could easily do that without having to worry about being denied an application. Lots of banks do it. Definitely go into your bank, talk to your banker, let them know what you're looking to do. And sometimes as you're talking to them, a lot of times they even have programs like credit builder programs as well too. And they can give you a lot more options.
Okay. Yeah, I definitely look into that then.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, if you want to make passive income by investing in real estate or grow your investments to achieve financial freedom, well, consider joining the Real Estate Wealth Builders Mastermind with me. Now, in the Mastermind, we have people that in as little as 18 months have bought enough properties, 12 rental properties, to make money for them passively for financial freedom, and you can too. It's not about having a lot of money to invest. It's about having access to the right information, the right community of people, and the right coaching. So if you're interested in joining, I want you to check the link in the description and join us so that you become financially free by investing in real estate.